In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate Microsoft Copilot on Windows 11 with ease and confidence. Navigating the updates in Windows 11 might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be a pro at finding Microsoft Copilot. Let's dive into the first method. When you're working in Windows 11, you might notice a collection of icons towards the bottom right of your screen. This area is known as the System Tray, where many of your hidden icons reside. To locate Microsoft Copilot, simply hover your mouse over to the bottom right corner of your desktop until you see an upward-facing arrow indicating hidden icons. Click on this arrow and you'll see a small pop-up window displaying various icons that are tucked away out of sight. Here, amidst these icons, you should be able to spot the Microsoft Copilot icon. Click on it, and voila! You have just accessed Microsoft Copilot. Now, let's explore the second method to locate Microsoft Copilot. This method is particularly useful if you prefer a more straightforward route. Begin by directing your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen, where you'll find the Start menu represented by the Windows icon. Click on this icon to open up the Start menu. With the Start menu in view, look for an area labeled Pinned. This section is designed to hold frequently used programs for quick access, and it's likely that Microsoft Copilot will be right there among your pinned applications. Selecting the Windows icon is a great habit to develop, as it opens the gateway to navigating your entire system with efficiency. Within the Pinned section, you'll usually find icons of applications you use frequently. Just like before, if Microsoft Copilot is pinned there, a simple click will grant you instant access. These methods should cover your needs for reaching Microsoft Copilot seamlessly. If you're new to Windows 11, a bit of exploring these elements can familiarize you with navigating the interface more effectively. Remember, these shortcuts not only make accessing Microsoft Copilot easy, but also enhance your overall experience with daily tasks on Windows 11. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Mastering these simple steps will keep you ahead of any potential frustration and ensure you make the most of Microsoft's tools, bringing efficiency to your fingertips. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to share with friends who might find it useful too. Thanks for watching, and happy navigating!